Hello, this is Sangeeta Bukadia from Jaipur. My firm name is Thread Redesign. I was just a housewife when I just started over this exhibition, but everyone says that only when you go into a big professional way you can achieve something in life. But I feel this is not the thing. If you've got the talent, if you've got the intuition, if you've got hard work to do something, you can reach no heights. This is the way I just can tell all the housewives, you should try to do a better thing. This exhibition is just a platform where we people like an housewife come and exhibit our stuff. We cannot go to the exposed world where no one recognizes us. This is an exhibition scene where we have been recognized, our talent has been honored and everything. When your sales do well, you really feel that you achieved something very nice. I deal all with block print saris of Jaipur. The printing is done by one of the laborers who takes one block and goes over the fabric, doing it with saris and other dress material. So I should feel, even if it's not a matter of sale or anything, if your things has been appreciated, you feel like going further down. And I should just thank to all the exhibitors here who have I just want to say that it is just a platform and we need this platform to show very now and then. That is the why I participate in exhibitions all over India where I have been appreciated, and this is a platform for all the housewives and who have not been recognized to come forward and show their talents. Thank you.